I first came to being involved with mental health research just after I'd been diagnosed with ME/CFS when I was 13, and this was the point at which I think I would say I experienced my first kind of mental health crisis, or point at which I was really acutely aware of how my low mood and my anxiety were really affecting my life. And it was quite a difficult period of my life, but participating in research felt like a part of my mental health journey, which really helped me cope. And since then I have joined the Wolfson Youth Advisory Group, and that has really given me a purpose, because I have been with other people who've had similar challenges to me with their mental health, but I've also been able to get involved with research and look at the ways in which I can take my experiences and help others. Helping with research has shown me it helps a lot of people, including myself, and strengthens the bonds in groups facing similar challenges. I have met people in the advisory group that I think will be friends for life, and I will always stay in contact with, because, you know, we're all facing similar challenges in our everyday life, but we all use it to move forward and help other people. And as you go through that, you help yourself as well. So it is an incredibly rewarding thing to be involved in mental health research, and something I think I will continue for as long as I can.